Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com, and today I have a delicious recipe for you. It's a recipe that Gerald and I have been enjoying for the last couple of weeks, and I just keep coming back to it because it's so good. It is smoky beans. Here I have 1 pound of lentils that have been soaking overnight. Then I have some vegetable broth, and you'll want 4 to 6 cups of that. So I have 4 cups here and 2 cups extra just in case I need a little more. And then you'll need some tomato puree. I have about 2.5 cups of freshly pureed tomatoes, 1 onion that is finely diced or chopped, and then 2 to 4 cloves of garlic minced, depending how you like it. I went for 4. And then you'll need a couple tablespoons of ketchup and apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of that, and then soy tamari or coconut aminos, and you want 3 tablespoons of that, salt and pepper to taste, some bay leaves, and some molasses. And that's everything you need. Then you just head over to the stove and get going. While my beans were cooking, I decided to bake potato. They're really nice and delicious and golden brown with a crispy outside. And then I have an avocado with a little lime and salt and pepper. And of course the beans with a little parsley on top. So it looks delicious. This is also excellent with asparagus or really anything that you'd like. Give it a quick taste and say goodbye. Really flavorful. Kind of sweet and smoky and delicious. I know you're gonna love it. It's a delicious recipe. You can't go wrong. Go to artisticvegan.com to get it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.